Welcome this video title Smart Cover Patio Decoration Idea of Choosy Outdoor Retreat. Introducing transforming a smart covered patio into a style and invite outdoor space is a delightful endeavor whether you have a balcony, a compact deep, or a tank backyard patio. Those are numerous. Create a way to maximize the potential of your limited outdoor space. We explore some impression smart cover patio decoration idea to help you create a cozy and charming retreat space. Save furniture. Other for space affect furniture that do not overpower the area. Followability table and chair stackable stone or even a choosy branch can provide comfortable seat without crowding the space. Consider innovate in multifunctional furniture such as story optimum that can double as seat and often a place to show away custom or banking. Bright and choosy lights enhance the ambience of your smart cover patio with successful source lights, string lights, fire lights, or lecture can add a warm and invite God. Consider salt, power, lights to save energy and in fact the need of our table lamp or LED converter in lunch can also create a cozy atmosphere or even gathering. Outdoor rug and pillows define your smart patio space with an outdoor rug that add both comfort and style. Choose weather resistant material, those that can withstand the elements. Complement the rug with outdoor pillow in vibrant color or pattern to add a touch of personalize makes the match different textile and design can create a versatile appear and comfortable sit area. Theme and color palette. Choose a theme or color palette that resonates with your personalized style, whether it's a combo retreat with nature blue and white or a blend mint oasis with vibrant pattern. Choose decor. Choose can make smart patio cover feel international and well designed.